So that's the Goan farewell song. I think, if I'm not mistaken, written by Reginald Fernandez and sung by Alan Costa. Reginald. So
It is so famous. Wherever we go,
yeah, this is the last song. This is the winding up song.
Other song. This is.
So this is a hint that our interview is getting over today.
I myself never leave any program without singing.
I see. I see. So actually, Goa has a lot of migration, separation, pain, saudades in that sense, because we are big time migrants in that sense.
Migration happened. It is bound to happen anyway. When I went to France.
No, so now since we are talking on that point, you must tell us about your travels in the world, particularly after the 1980s, when your talent was rediscovered after the Commonwealth Head of Government retreat.
I never thought I would travel so much.
Yeah.
Even to the far away corner like Caribbeans, where hardly anybody reach. I spent 15 days in the Caribbean.
Caribbean, Asia, Europe, Africa also?
Caribbean, I was in America, Antilles, Guadeloupe, Martinique, near Barbados. And I had even so nostalgic to sing in the room where Harry Belafonte sang.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
They have filmed that.
I see.
I sang there. When I was in Cochin, Cochin, I sang one song, one file, where the Vasco da Gama spent the night in the cathedral.
I see.
Yeah, the collector was there and all.
I see.
I have done my sing.
So tell us, where all you traveled?
Now, I started in India. I have traveled everywhere except I have not reached like Portugal, in Kashmir.
Okay. Okay.
Everybody is saying, I did not go to Kashmir.
Okay.
I have one souvenir of Kashmir. I said, that is this one.
I see.
They promised to bring more, never came back. You know. Kashmir. Then Bombay, I gave 2-3 shows. Delhi, Sheraton.
Yeah.
Then I played in Hyderabad, Las Palm Hotel, in 5-star hotel for 7 days.
This is in the 70s or 80s?
Now, 2020,
I see.
2018.
I see.
Yeah. Then from there, I went to Cochin.
Yeah.
Cochin Saj Hotel, where I played.
Yeah.
Then I traveled for room of the Vasco da Gama and all that thing. Coming back from there, suddenly I get calls to go to France.
Yeah.
In France.
Festival of India in France.
Festival of India in France. In France, we stayed for 12 days. I celebrated my birthday in France. My God, it was a heavy, looked like a monarch in the Atlantic Ocean, having bath, with 2 guards.
I see. On a diplomatic passport.
Yes, on a diplomatic. And we say, I'm proud of Goa, proud of India.
Yeah.
We say this and that. Our politics is cheap. That's why we are, our identity.
Yeah.
We have everything here.
Yeah.
Let me tell you frankly.
Yeah.
In France, we were treated like kings. But still, they don't have time, like we have here.
Yeah.
To go and chat at night and have it. We have one there. Whenever in the restaurant down, I had to go and eat whatever you drink.
Right.
These fellows used to see me. Who is this fellow cool having champagne?
I see.
One glass of champagne at that time was about 170, 180 rupees.
Yeah, a lot of money.
And
you are talking about the 80s.
Yes, I enjoyed life.
You have also traveled in Asia, no?
In Asia, I traveled to Singapore, Bangkok, Pattaya, and also
Malaysia, Penang, and
Singapore and all.
Malacca.
Yeah, these are good holiday.
Yeah, Malacca or Macau.
No. We were supposed to go actually to Hong Kong.
Okay.
But it was not possible. There is same turmoil of independence and broiled up over there.
I see. And while we are talking, I'm really happy that you have gifted me this copy of something which you maybe can tell us about.
What is that?
Can you tell us what this is?
This one?
Yeah.
This one is old Goa.
Yeah. So no, but basically it is. This
is what I have done. I received signature from these people.
Yeah.
On this only as a record.
So this is Margaret Thatcher, India, all the people who have listened to you.
Yes, all.
And,
Cyprus, this and that.
all the prime
because
ministers
I played for them. I had security problems.
Yeah.
Even then, Edward Philip, he said, I am responsible for him. Let him sing for them.
I
They
see.
did not allow to.
This is during the Commonwealth retreat in 1983.
Yeah, Commonwealth night, first
yeah,
night.
first night, 1983, October, no,
was the end of October.
No, November or something,
No,
November,
something
December, somewhere that time.
I remember the security guards, but that time, and even to have a glass of wine,
Yeah,
they used to give,
I see,
but particular person used to give.
I see.
On the,
Very tight security, very tight.
Very
There were
tight.
about 40, 45 heads of state and government.
yeah,
In
Margaret
those days,
Thatcher was very, very much taken up.
I see,
He said, "You have a beautiful voice."
I see, I see, I see.
Then Amalia was a different type of.
You
night.
met Amalia in she's also autographed this in the
Yeah.
front. That is which year?
This was 2020, 2010, 199.
1999.
99.
She
Correct.
visited Goa.
Yeah, she was in Goa for 3 days,
Yeah.
and they had arranged dinner for her. Shikhar lunch.
Yeah. Who ran the
Yeah.
Mayfair Hotel?
Mari Virand.
Mayfair Hotel, yeah.
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 So when I sang her song, she was puzzled. She hugged me like anything.
So Amalia is the queen of Fado. She was the queen of Fado.
But I
before
sang
she
one
died.
fado for her that was prohibited in Portugal.
Ah.
You would like to listen?
Yeah, please. Tell us about it.
This is Fado Corrido, what I called it. It's about a girl who is Negro, who was prohibited in Portuguese, in Salazar's dictatorship,
Yeah.
to appear in Portugal for shows or whatever it is. And Amalia, who came to know about the girl, calls her and comforts her that you are despised now by this,
Yeah.
and this song is composed by me to you. You are Negro by nature, don't worry. Olive fruit, that is also black in color, goes to the table of the kings. And you are the one who will sit with the kings and queens. The time is not too far. She used to talk about the liberation of Mozambique, Angola. And this girl was a Mozambican,
I see.
yeah, great friend of Samora and also the
I see.
And she says to this girl, this is nothing you may have to suffer, but the one who make you suffer will at the end suffer. And this is the song I composed for you. Black in color, but going to the table of the king.
I see.
The name of the song is Abarra da Minha Saia. That when I dance with you, people were looking at me, you are dancing with the Negro girl. And with your cigar, that you are giving me the smoke
Yeah.
of your endurance. Abarra da minha saia, foi o que me queimou. Abarra da minha saia, foi ele que me queimou. Com a ponta do cigarro, quando comigo dançou. Com a ponta do cigarro, quando comigo dançou. Se amor, amor de preta, se amor, amor de amor. Se amor, amor de preta, se amor, amor de amor. Oh, amor verde, a nó do vai se embora. Oh, amor verde, a dona vai-se embora. Oh, minha moça trigueira, quem te fez tão trigueira? Oh, minha moça trigueira, quem te faz braseira que tu me fazes a noitinha. Foi o calor da braseira que tu me fazes a noitinha. Chamaram-me preta, preta, eu sou preta, bem sei. Chamaram-me preta, preta, eu sou preta, bem sei. Toda a senhora preta que vai a mesma do bem. Toda é preta e vai a mesma do bem.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. And before we wind up, just a word on the Fado, its song, its structure, how, what's its beat like?
Now
and-
this is a not fado, this
Yeah.
is a curly sort of thing,
Okay.
where Amalia expressed courage for her and sentimental values that are dear to every human being, in spite of being despised.
But what is the structure of the Fado? I mean, how would you?
Fado.
Yeah,
Fado by itself is a nostalgic fado, nostalgia.
yeah,
It depicts envy, then promise, then
love lost,
and more important is
Saudades.
nostalgia means the future
Yeah,
and the present.
yeah,
And there is a fado of different type. One who express anguish, one who express happiness, and other that castigate other different manners
Yeah.
that they treat each one. And one of them, if you don't, I will sing to you
Yeah.
one fado. Give time to time means the temp of temp. Those who laughed at me will one day stop laughing,
yeah,
and I will have the last laugh for them. Time goes,
Yeah.
doesn't wait,
Yeah.
like the tide. And one day will come, I will have the high tide. I will be praised,
yeah.
and I will laugh at you.
But when, for someone like me who doesn't understand the song, what is the structure of it? What, I mean, what would make a song a Fado in that sense?
Fado by itself,
By beats or something like that,
Yeah.
or it?
Fado by itself with destiny,
I see.
nothing else, in different types. And this song, this Fado I will sing to
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah.
First was I never thought that after such a friendship there would be some wrong thoughts in your mind, as I told you. And whatever you do, whatever you think about me, laugh about me, will one day stop laughing, and I will be having the last laugh.
Yeah.
Nunca pensei, depois de tanta amizade, fica-se tanta maldade escondida no teu peito. Nunca pensei que se teu dia de chegar e tu certo és de pagar de tanto mal que me tens feito. Dá tempo ao tempo, enquanto tens vontade, talvez um dia saudade não te deixe vir assim. Dá tempo ao tempo, que o tempo corre e não cansa. Eu não perdi a esperança de te ver chorar por mim. Dá tempo ao tempo, enquanto tens vontade, talvez um dia a saudade não te deixe vir assim. Dá tempo ao tempo, que o tempo corre e não cansa.
Thank you so much, Shiko. I would just really want to appreciate the time you spent
No, no.
sharing
See,
your
If
talent.
you talk like that,
Sharing your talent with us and with your audiences, because it's so important. I think that we need to
it has-
highlight on these
now I'm
different
noticing
aspects
it has come down, huh?
of Goa.